Obsessed means thinking too much about something or someone all the time. When a person is obsessed, they cannot stop thinking about it. In simple words, obsessed equals always thinking about something too much. Being obsessed is not always good. It means your mind is focused only on one thing. People can be obsessed with a person they like, a hobby or game, food or a habit, work or a subject. She is obsessed with her favorite singer. He is obsessed with video games. I am obsessed with chocolate. My friend is obsessed with football. She is obsessed with cleaning her room. People can be obsessed with social media, TV shows, fitness, reading books. Being obsessed means you focus a lot on one thing, sometimes forgetting other things. I am obsessed with learning English. Obsessed equals overthinking about one thing, always thinking about it a lot.